guys, welcome to Heart Deco Wonders. Today I'm showing you how to use our new 3-in-1 tape measure. Okay, so we're going to start off to show you the 3-in-1. It has a laser measurement, a 5-meter measuring tape, and a cross laser line. Opening it up, we have the beautiful tape measure right over here, and then we're going to take it out and show you how to use it. So we're just taking that out. It also comes with a screw so you can open up the battery right here at the back. There is a screw compartment over here which you can use to insert the battery like that. Okay, so it is TPR covered with a rubber dust-proof shell, coated manganese steel tape, and it stores up to 20 measurements for an easy review after you have measured. So over here we have the control panel, we have the on button, the off button. You can switch between measurements on this button, and then this button will take you to the Pythagoras theorem and the hypotenuse measurement mode. And then we're just going to turn it on to show you how it works. Okay, so we're just going to press on the on button once, which will activate the laser, as you can see. And then if you hold it in for about 2 seconds, it will give you a live laser view. Okay, and then holding it in for 4 seconds, it will give you this really cool cross, so you can find the center of the object that you are measuring. Okay, so we're just gonna switch between the modes. Over here, we have the addition, the subtract, then we have the area, then we have the volume, the Pythagoras. Okay, so you can easily see you can change between different modes, and it will have the laser recording all of the measurements, so you can get an accurate display digitally. So that will really help when you're doing construction in the building industry. This is the perfect guide to have. It even has a clip-on over here, so you can easily clip that to your belt. It has a rubber handle, so you can just kind of hook it over your hand and then hold it easily so you don't drop it. In addition to all of the great digital features, it also has the old tape measure for manual measurements, and it has an automatic lock